happens with the help of Diplococcus pneumoniae. Now, next is a typhoid. Typhoid, and it spread with the help of Salmonella typhi. Okay, this you have to remember. Okay, this is a very important name of disease and their bacteria. So second is what? Typhoid. Okay, now next disease is cholera. So this happens by Vibrio cholerae. Okay, cholera spread with or spread by what? Vibrio cholerae. Now, next is plague. It happens with the help of Passerella pestis. Okay, so plague spread with the help of bacteria Passerella pestis. Okay, this plague also known as Black Death. Why? Because when death occurs, the body becomes or turns into black. So it is known as Black Death. Now, next disease is gonorrhea. So come on that. Gonorrhea. Now, this gonorrhea disease spread by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Bacteria name is Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Okay, so gonorrhea spread through Neisseria gonorrhoeae. This already asked question. So Neisseria gonorrhoeae spread what type of disease? That is gonorrhea. Now, next is diarrhea. This happens by the bacteria Bacillus coli. Okay, so diarrhea spread through Bacillus coli. Now, next is gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis. This happens with the help of E. coli that is present in our intestine. Okay, E. coli. Next is gangrene. Okay, so this gangrene is what? It is a type of wound that is not healing quickly. Okay, that mostly happens in diabetic patient. Now, this gangrene spread through Clostridium perfringens. Clostridium perfringens. Okay, this is gangrene. Clostridium perfringens. Okay, perfringens. Now, after this gangrene, next is whooping cough. Whooping cough. Now, this whooping cough disease spread through Haemophilus pertussis. Haemophilus pertussis bacteria. Haemophilus pertussis. Okay. So Haemophilus spot, this is also asked one question in KPMT, Karnataka PMT. Okay. So whooping cough spread through which type of bacteria? So Haemophilus pertussis. Okay. Now, next come on that most common disease, that is a tetanus. Okay. This tetanus spread through Clostridium tetani. Clostridium tetani bacteria. And this tetanus doing what? Lockjaw. Okay, here what happens? The jaw has been closed. Okay, so that's why it is also known as lockjaw disease, tetanus. Okay, so this what we seen in animals or human being. Now come on some plant. So come on that plants, diseases in plants and bacteria name. Diseases in plants and which bacteria are responsible for that. So first disease is soft rot of potato. Soft rot of potato. Okay, this disease found in where? Potato, and that decreases the productivity of potato. This happens with the help of Pseudomonas solanacearum. Pseudomonas solanacearum. Pseudomonas solanacearum. So this bacteria responsible for soft rot of potato. Next is citrus canker. Citrus canker. Now, this citrus canker that affects mostly citrus plant like lemon, orange. Okay, so that is spread through Xanthomonas citri. Xanthomonas citri bacteria. Okay, citrus canker, Xanthomonas citri. Next is bacterial blight of paddy. Okay, rice is there, so their problem happens. Bacterial blight of paddy. Okay, now this decreases the productivity of rice. Okay, so this bacterial blight of paddy happens Xanthomonas oryzae. Bacteria name is Xanthomonas oryzae. Okay, bacterial blight of paddy that happens with the help of Xanthomonas oryzae. Okay, now next is Tundu disease in wheat. Tundu disease in wheat. Now, this is decreases the productivity of what? Wheat. So, Tundu disease in wheat that happens with the help of Corynebacterium. Okay, that bacteria name is Corynebacterium, and full name is Corynebacterium triticum. Okay, so this spread Tundu disease in wheat. Okay, next is a potato wilt. Okay, before the production of, or before the maturity of potato, that happens what they are doing in, they are going into what, ungrowth stage. Okay, so that is known as wilt, potato wilt. So that potato wilt. Now, this potato wilt also happens by Pseudomonas, this one, Pseudomonas solanae. Pseudomonas solanae serum. Okay, this is potato wilt disease. Now, next is fire blight of apple. The production of apple decreases. So, fire blight of apple. Fire blight of apple. Now, this fire blight of apple, Irvinia MP larva. What is that? Irvinia MP larvora. Okay, Irvinia MP larvora. Okay, sometime it is also written MP larvora. Okay, so both are having other species. So this fire blight of apple, the decreases the productivity of apple. Now, next is crown gall of sugar beet. Crown gall of sugar beet. Okay, crown gall of sugar beet. Now, this happens Agrobacterium tumefaciens. What is that? Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Okay, so this is crown gall of sugar beet. Nowadays, the most common problem are there in vegetable, that is black rot of cabbage, that we have to see that diseases in plant. Black rot of cabbage. Now, this black rot of cabbage happens by Xanthomonas campestris bacteria. Xanthomonas campestris bacteria. So these are the, this is also asked question. These are the some harmful activities of bacteria. So what we seen, overall bacteria acts as friends as well as foes. Foes means enemy. Okay, Now question asked, which organism acts as a friend and foes? Okay, so that is, or friend and enemy, so that is bacteria. Okay, so till yet we discussed the kingdom Monera. Next time we'll enter into the kingdom Protista. Okay, thank you.